In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Books to Shopify. If you've been wanting to integrate these two platforms to streamline your business operations, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step clearly to make sure you can smoothly connect your accounts without a hitch. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. If you haven't already signed up for one, make sure to do so before proceeding, as you'll need it throughout this process. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. From here, navigate to the settings section. You can typically find this by looking for a gear icon on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to a list of different settings and integrations available for your Zoho Books account. Next, in the settings menu, look for an option labeled Integrations or something similar. This will take you to a new page dedicated to managing various integrations Zoho Books can handle. Here, you should see a list, including Shopify. Click on Shopify to start setting up the connection. Once you're there, you'll need to provide access by entering your Shopify store details. It's important to have your Shopify store details ready before you begin. This will usually be your store name and a few other key details necessary for establishing a connection. After entering those details, it'll prompt you to log into your Shopify account if you're not already logged in. Just enter your credentials, and you should be taken right into your Shopify dashboard. The next important step involves granting permission for the integration. During this step, you'll be asked to authorize Zoho Books to access certain data within your Shopify store. This access is crucial for the seamless transfer of information between the platforms. It might seem a bit intense, but rest assured, this data is only used to sync your operations and is protected under Zoho's privacy policies. Read through the permissions, and when you're satisfied, click Allow or Authorize to continue. Now that you've authorized the integration, head back to Zoho Books to confirm the connection. You should see a notification or a status indicating that your Shopify store is now successfully connected to Zoho Books. At this point, you can start customizing how information is shared between the two platforms. They often provide options for syncing invoices, customers, and other sales data. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to test the integration. You can do this by conducting a small transaction in your Shopify store and then checking if the details appear correctly in Zoho Books. This way, you ensure everything is in working order and ready for daily business activities. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Zoho Books to Shopify. This integration should greatly improve your workflow, letting you focus on what you do best: growing your business. If you encounter any issues, both Zoho and Shopify support teams are excellent resources for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this integration smooths out your process.